All right, ladies and gentlemen, my father-in-law's first time ever eating a McDonald's. So I got him the whole menu. So this is a beautiful McChicken with the McChicken sauce. We'll just let him be. All right, here you go. My wife on the side just enjoys some fries. Then process.
Ăn được không? Ngon nè. Nói một miệng thôi.
Well, I said, you don't have to eat it all, just taste it. Dad said, it's really good though. I want to eat it all. Because he don't. Because my wife said, you just have to taste test it. But father-in-law said, it's really good. I want to bite 2 bites. Well, I said, there's only 1 bite's fine. Ngon má.
Bên đó mình ăn sáng bệnh đi.
Well, I said,
Bên
in the
Tây là
morning.
ăn sáng mẹ luôn đi.
Well, I say in the morning, people always come to eat McDonald's because it's the morning routine. And he's just like, oh, really? Đây là gà, đây là hamburger, đây nổi tiếng hamburger này nè. Ba thịt cái này, đây là hai lát thịt bò. Và thịt bò giọt thôi, ba thịt đấy. Đây là nổi tiếng nhất. I said this is the speciality, this is the Big Mac, this is the most popular one on McDonald's. So, look at this. Oh, man. Okay, I wonder what my father-in-law will say about this. Bình thường á, là dùng cạn miếng á, coi hụt cái hụt này do Coca-Cola khác. I said the Coca-Cola is different, it's different. When you eat McDonald's. And process it. He needs time to process it.
Cạc hơn,
Khác không?
chua hơn.
Chua
He said it's sour. I think it's because of the pickles and it's creamy.
Nó có chí.
And there's cheese. Yo, my man can eat.
Okay.
Or it's like, okay, that's enough, just a few bites. But I think he wants another bite.
Mà ăn sáng.
Or I said, just a few bites, tomorrow you'll finish it. Ba nghĩ sao? Big Mac cái đặc sản nhất, đặc biệt nhất.
Chắc ngon hơn à.
Ngon hơn à? He likes the Big Mac, but it's a little sour because of the pickle. Ba thử miếng Coca-Cola Canada đi. Ask them to drink the cola. Because he's not used to just drinking and eating. I know that felt good.
Cá,
Yeah.
ngon,
No?
Nhiều lá hơn mà.
ngon hơn.
Baby.
He said this Coca-Cola is way different, way tastier here than in Vietnam. Đây là bánh mì cá, fish fillet, cá chiên, cá biếng.
Cá sống.
I said that's the fish from the ocean. And he just smiled.
Không có đâu lắm bạn.
Oh, I said there's no lettuce or
Ngon
anything.
lắm, béo.
He likes it.
Vẫn ngon vui hơn.
He said there's no fishy smell. He really enjoys it. Đây mày ra thế nè, McRib. About today đi. McRib. So the McRib just came out today. Or yes, I'm not even sure. But ba mày ra cho con xem. I just said, open it up. Let me look at it. Because I've never had a McRib ever. So it just looks like a patty. Oh man, my friend Hui suggested me eat the McRib today, but I was like, I'm on a diet. We'll have my father-in-law give it a try. Let's see what he thinks.
Ngon. À,
He likes it.
Ngon.
ngon.
Ngon má?
Barbecue phải.
Yeah, barbecue sauce.
Ngon nè.
He likes it a
Chiên
lot.
ngon.
He said everything he just bit into it is very good. So father-in-law never had McDonald's ever before.
Đôn thịt.
Yeah, thịt xay. He's like, what kind of meat is this? Is this meat? Then I said, yes, it's thịt heo. Thịt heo. It's pork. No, he enjoys it. He enjoys that McRib. Bà bao giờ nghe cái hiệu này chứ? Bà bao giờ nghe cái hiệu này chứ?
Chờ bên mình.
Yeah. I asked my father-in-law if he ever heard of this brand ever before, and he said no. First time ever. Brother-in-law, it's down.
Nó
Ăn thử đi.
nó bác nó đấy.
Ngon.
Nhưng lên có thấy ăn
Ngon.
They're trying to get the mother-in-law eating because she's just the look of it. She just feels really just it's so different for her. What do you think, Ma? Ain't. He really likes it. He really likes it. Khoai tây chiến, quá thử khoai tây chiến. Oh yeah, con một miệng.
Thấy nó
Here it is.
phải ăn mình đỡ liệt mía.
Yeah, cái này cũng liệt mê nhất.
Và hết chậm sức.
Oh, I said the kids love the nuggets.
Gà.
Yeah, gà xay. He said, "Is this chicken?" And I said, "It's ground up chicken." Here's the dip. Same sour sauce.
Ngon. Ngon hơn nuôi nữa.
Ngon hơn đuôi rồi. Ngon đuôi nè.
He says better than the drumstick. So my father-in-law loves eating the drumstick, and he just had a nugget. He's like, it's even better than the drumstick. Crazy. Here you go. McDonald's French fries with ketchup. Might be sour. Bà nghĩ sao? Bà thử bình thường đi, không có ketchup đúng không? I just said try the one without the ketchup and see what you think.
Bên mặn nữa.
He said it's a little salty.
Hơi ăn mũi.
Chua hơn.
He said that over here is a little sour just because of the ketchup. But he's a fan, ladies and gentlemen. He's a fan. Có một món nữa bà phải thử nè.
Cái mà.
Kem bánh. Wait, let me grab him a spoon. Here we go. McFlurry. His first ever McFlurry or Oreo McFlurry. Okay, you gotta let him process it, ladies and gentlemen. He's a big fan of ice cream. I know it's cold. Nắng quá. I asked him if it's cold.
Ngon.
He likes it.
Cái Quang.
He had Costco.
Costco kem tươi.
Yeah. He had Costco ice cream yesterday. But then he said it tastes better than the Costco ice cream. But an Oreo. He's like, what's this dark stuff? And I said, it's just Oreo inside of it that they mixed in. Vì có nhiều người là thích chậm, bà thử kể đi, lấy cái này có chậm vào đây. I told him a lot of people in America likes taking this and dipping into this, and you should give it a try. Đặc sản Mỹ. Let's see what he thinks. Here you go.
Ăn kiểu lạ. Gọi cho chua. Ngon.
He said he likes it. He likes it.
Chua đó. Em biết đâu, có chua món.
He says a little sour but creamy, but it's good. He said this one's a little salty. Yeah. Oh look, he's going for a second one. I think he likes it.
Đây là chậm ngon đỡ. Là chậm ngon đỡ.
He likes it. He likes it a lot. Trong hết cả bạn này là bà thích cái nào nhiều nhất. I asked him of all the sandwiches what he liked most, and he chose the Big Mac. Yes, he chose the Big Mac, ladies and gentlemen.
Big Mac hấp dẫn ở bên, có yêu sốt đốt nữa.
Ngon hả?
Cái món thứ hai, cái cá.
Đi.
That's the second one. Is the McChicken. The McChicken's the second one. There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Là tầng miệng bao tầng 2 miệng. Cái ní. Cái kia nó mẹ bán là
Trộn ngon hả?
Ngồi kìa. Từ xưa.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen. My father-in-law's first experience at McDonald's, and he really enjoyed it. There it is. What should we have him try next? He's just trying. He's not eating it all. He's just trying a bit here and there. But sometimes in the morning he just eats it all. To be honest, he just dips and eats it all. My man can eat. My man can eat. Camera's off. He's still going. What happened to that 2 bite? I don't know what happened to that 2 bite.
Có cá này.
Ngon
Cá
lắm.
ngon hơn. Đó.
Đó.
Bán thế nào vậy?
It is such a big difference too, because he's just talking about the cola. He's asking his wife to try the cola, but he said the cola here is more tastier than in Vietnam because more syrup, right? The mother approves too. Mother-in-law approves too.
Dương rồi.
Nhưng mà mẹ là vừa tao nghe nó bỏ.
Cám luôn vậy.
Mm.
Lúc bia.
Now they're talking about the time they had the root beer and how gross it was because they don't like the root beer, but the dad likes it. They're just talking about the root beer and how root beer is over in Vietnam is pretty much the same over here. My father-in-law said you eat once, then you eat twice, and you just kind of get used to it and just enjoy it. But the dad really loves eating the McFlurry. I know he's a big fan of ice cream, but the thing in Vietnam is just like when you eat too much ice cream, your throat gets too cold, and you're just like kind of, your throat hurts, and that's how it is. My man can eat, man. There you go. See what happened to the 2 bites. I guarantee if I hold the camera like this a little far away, he's gonna finish it out. I promise you. Look at my man with the fries. Look, he's not stopping. I told you, ladies and gentlemen, when cameras are off, he's still going. We just want him to take a bite. That's it. Just one bite, it's fine. Just to try and review. What I said, you took one bite and now you can't stop, right?
Rào tiếp.
I tell you, fishermen that loves to eat. Mother-in-law said the ice cream is better than the Costco one for sure. But cứng không? Cứng hả? Đã, yeah. Yeah. They're just talking about the airlines that they gave them ice cream and it was like rock solid. I know he's gonna take another bite. I'm telling you, he seems to really enjoy it. It just has to sink in. It's like, oh, this is different, and I kind of like it. See if he takes another big bite. There we go. Another McRib bite. Oh man. Sốt sao? Sốt chúa mà bác. Sốt chúa. I asked him if the barbecue sauce is sour. He just said the ketchup is just the most sour one.